The start of this remarkable trip to Kerala was from Delhi airport. We took our flight and reached the city of Kochi, with our hearts brimming with joys and our eyes excited to see the wonders of Kerala. After crossing the city chaos of Kochi, we were now headed towards these mesmerizing coconut groves. And our luck, we were greeted by these light, soft showers as if welcoming us into God's own country. These coconut groves, the emerald rice fields, these beautiful entwining roads had already stolen our hearts. And what? The journey had just begun. These mesmerizing views were surprising us at each and every turn of the roads that we were taking. Our hearts were already joyous. We were discovering the beauty of Kerala in all its might. And we were reveling at our idea of heading out to this beautiful, beautiful state of our country. Wow, was what we could feel and hear ourselves say over and over again. The beauty of Kerala had already begun to astound us. And these were not even some named tourist stretches. They were just unnamed roads. But yet, so striking, so breathtaking. And here, just out of nowhere, a fairy tale view waited to greet us. This beautiful, charming view really took our breath away. These palm coconut trees, and we in our beautiful car, enjoying, reveling, marveling at these bounties of nature. And we had truly begin to realize that we are heading or already landed in heaven. As we reached our destination of the day, the Flora Misty Falls at Athirapalli. Here, from the very restaurant of our hotel, we get to see these mighty, mighty Athirapalli Falls. Yes, the iconic waterfalls right under our vision, right from the balcony of the restaurant of this beautiful hotel. Who can forget this first sight? It already had us standing with a bated breath. We just couldn't get enough of this sight. This had been one of our dream destinations for the longest time, and now we could just gaze and gaze at this beautiful, majestic sight for hours together. It was as if we were being cradled, we were being lovingly engulfed by the falls, by these mighty Western Ghats. What luck, we were seated, we were nestled right in the center of the falls. It was not that we were here for a few minutes, but we could just absorb the beauty of these iconic falls for hours and hours together, gazing from our hotel room. The Athirapalli Falls. Oh my God, what an overwhelming experience of the sight, of the sound, of its natural beauty. It has been engulfed by the Western Ghats, and it just makes your spirits soar. It has truly been called as the Niagara of South India, a big title to hold to, and does full justice to it. It is located on the Chalakudi River, and it plunges 80 feet down amid the lush forests of Western Ghats. The way it becomes misty by the evening is a dreamy sight. The breathtaking beauty of these falls brought to life by cinematic experiences like Dil Se, Guru, Ravan, and the unforgettable Bahubali, was literally being felt by us on this day. Our day had been made so much more beautiful by experiencing this wonder of the world firsthand, first sight. What a day!